Oh, you baby. Hi, Dugru. Hi, Dugu. Prettiest baby. Hi, Dugu. You don't share your toys? Okay, don't share. It's okay. So, since I'm posting consistently, I just finished with my these flies, man. What do they want from me? So, I have to put on makeup today. I don't know. I find it such a task. I think I should start enjoying it and reshoot the audition I shot yesterday because now they have a reference video. I think nobody talks about this, or maybe people do talk about it, and I don't know. But there's so much that goes into trying to land a project or I can let the board complete my sentence. But what I'm saying is that you audition a lot, and then sometimes you get the job, sometimes you don't. It's a process. Everyone just sees the fun part of it, the final result. No one sees what happens behind the scenes and how um, it can test your patience because you just keep wondering like how long will it take, and I think the only thing you can do is just do things that make you happy and keep staying positive. That's very, very important. I've decided instead of wasting my skills of solving mysteries on men and people I don't know, because I have this habit of stalking random people on Instagram and then trying to figure out if they're cheating on their significant other. I don't know why I do that. And then something really funny happened. Like, I need to address this. I feel like if your girlfriend doesn't like someone, you should not speak to that person. It's as simple as that. I know a lot of girls who dislike me. I know it's hard to believe. And then their boyfriends or exes will start following me or looking at my stuff, and then I block them because I don't want. I think it's incorrect. It's morally incorrect. So yeah, call me the police. Don't call me that. This shit is draining me. Why is it so difficult? Like, I don't understand. Why? Only I can sit in such a peaceful environment and be stressed. I'm not stressed, I'm just upset with this stupid crossword. It shouldn't be so difficult, it shouldn't be this difficult. I'm smarter than this, I know it. I just know it. And the mosquitoes. So, the reason why my vlogs haven't been very interesting is because this is what my life is. When I'm not working, I'm just sitting outside, sleeping at home, reading, eating, watching a lot of television. I'm gonna post one recent, I won't call it a rejection message, but I didn't get the job. And then, I just feel like there's so many times that I'm so close to getting something and then I don't. And then, anyone in this industry knows about the uncertainty that comes with it. I wouldn't say it takes a toll on you. It's just, I don't know, it is disappointing when you don't get something, but my new mindset is that it's always been my mindset that if it's mine, it will come to me. But I've not been working for a bit now, and it's not because I'm not trying. I am. Things will just, I'll get so close to landing a job and then it just doesn't happen, which is alright. God has something better planned. Even with people, I feel like if someone's meant to be in your life, they will be in your life. If they aren't meant to be in your life, they won't be in your life. And you can just wish people luck, because whatever is meant to happen will happen, and will be for the best, because that's why it's happening. This is why waking up in the morning and sitting outside helps, because you think about all these things. So I'm just hoping I'm busy again. I just love working so much. I love being busy, and I feel like I was using that as a crutch for the longest time. That was my identity, working. And the ironic part is that even when I was at work, I wasn't fully present. I was just worried about what I'm going to do next. And now I've realized that not doing anything, I need to be content and deal with my thoughts and emotions at all times. I can't just distract myself and run after things, because the thing is that I'm not there and I'm not here. I'm nowhere. So right now I've learned that I need to be happy when things aren't going my way, when I'm not getting what I want, because maybe it's not what I need in the moment. And then later, now when I work, I know I'm going to be present and appreciate my work more. And the funny thing is that when I'm working, I actually zone out. I don't even know what I'm doing. Like, I'm on autopilot. But now I want things to be more intentional, and they will be. I just really hope I start booking jobs soon. I really miss working, and I was supposed to shoot tomorrow and day after, but that didn't happen. It's something that was supposed to happen next week. That isn't happening anymore. The positive side is I know what I want, what I need professionally. I just hope God is kind enough to give it to me if it's for me. Otherwise, I'm very easygoing. I'm just like, whatever happens for a reason. So, God knows best. That's why you need to have faith. Because if you don't have faith, then you're just a lost, headless puppet. Does that make sense? A headless puppet or a headless chicken? I don't know. But I'm not going to work out today. My mat got wet in the rain. Not in the rain, in a puddle. But I met Dugu, so I'm happy. I'm going to solve this crossword puzzle, sit downstairs for a bit, get bitten by these mosquitoes, and hope for the best. So this is basically what happens when you sit outside, you introspect, reflect. And what was happening was before when I was working, I used to just get lazy to record things and just share on YouTube. I was like, I don't know. Sometimes I saw this post on Instagram and I feel like maybe I have ADHD because I do sometimes just feel paralyzed physically. But maybe I need to stop. I can't diagnose myself. I watched this movie Girl Interrupted. It's a really good movie. You all should watch it. I'm sure a lot of y'all have. And it makes sense that everyone's just crazy and going through something. But they're just phases. Like this garbage truck being rolled away right now. The garbage in my life will be rolled away soon too. It's just that waiting period. How do you learn to enjoy it? And for how long? I mean, I do enjoy it, but I feel like now I'm a very restless person. I need to be thinking about what I'm going to do next or doing the next thing as I'm doing. Like multitasking is a problem. It's a blessing too. I mean, anyone from this industry will tell you that their only hope or dream is to work every single day, working every day. That's what, when I was signed with the agencies also, there were other models and we all just, it was like a competition on who was booked most, but you also feel nice working. It's like you're creating art. So you want to be doing more and you learn so much on the job. I actually want a day when I'm so busy that I don't have a single day off. I'm just working. And then I'll just retire or something. That's my plan. I'm sure everyone's job is stressful. Tell me what you do for a living and what your goal or what you'd like to happen for yourself or promotion or something. I just saw two birds fighting. It's so cute. They're playing. Let me show you. There's nothing more beautiful than when the sun comes out. And I feel like God is just putting lighting on me. Look at how pretty the sun looks. And the result. Great lighting.